friends, welcome again. Today I am going to make different type of recipe, that is aloo matar chaat. So without wasting any time, let's see ingredient first. Here I am using 3 boiled potatoes. Don't mash it, cut it into the small pieces like this, and 1 ball of white peas. Just give it 3 whistles with turmeric and salt, and some aloo bhujia, namkeen dal, red chili powder, roasted peanuts, chaat masala, dry mango powder, cumin seed powder and coriander powder. This is a tamarind paste, peppercorn powder and pink salt, and finely chopped tomatoes, 1 large, finely chopped cucumber, finely chopped 1 large onion, some yogurt, and for garnishing coriander. So let's start how to make it. So now I am adding boiled peas, mix it, and then add chopped onion, chopped cucumber. This is optional, and tomatoes. Mix it properly, then add salt to taste, tamarind paste. If you don't have tamarind paste, you can use lemon juice also. Half spoon cumin powder, half spoon coriander powder, half spoon chaat masala, half teaspoon dry mango powder, some roasted peanuts, then add 1 spoon red chili powder. You can take as per your taste. Mix it properly. Now add some plain yogurt. Mix it again properly. Now add some peppercorn powder. Then add aloo bhujia. And some namkeen dal. Mix it again. This is very quick and easy recipe, very delicious. And some coriander leaves. Now our aloo chaat is ready, looking very tempting. If you like this recipe, then please give it like, share and subscribe also. Just for garnishing, add the yogurt. Now here our aloo matar chaat is ready. I'm going to enjoy. You are also make at your home and enjoy with your family. Share your experience through comments, and if you like this recipe, give it like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you soon. Bye bye.